My name's Kavion. I vlog every single day. I think you guys will find this enjoyable because I'm just like a regular everyday person, just trying to improve my life little by little with going to the gym, practicing like better mental health, eating right, making money, and trying to live the best life possible. Now, if that's something you're interested in and you need someone that you can find relatable, this is the channel for you. So hit the subscribe button. Look at my friend tried to edit, trying to act like this is actually real. Everybody spam L in the comments, man. This is just, oh, well, God. Don't have a lint roller right now, so I'm gonna have to improvise. Yeah, I know it looks ridiculous. I know, but I hope it does the job. Come into work with a much positive mindset, more positive, like kind of the same positiveness level that had it Saturday, the last day I worked, and which was a pretty good day. So let's try to come in today with that same mentality. My freaking breader got switched because I put it inside sideways in my bag, but I don't know how someone's gonna fit it in my bag. Almost lunchtime. Man, I'm starving. Tuna sandwiches. Oh man, I am bored. Nothing to do. I'm just breaking down boxes. Right now, I'm supposed to be stocking everybody's station with boxes, but I don't see any blue flashing lights. I only see green lights, so that means I don't go to their station. Old McDonald's had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there. There you go, everybody oink oink. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I just went to sleep my entire break. Break's only 15 minutes. I mean, I read a little bit at first, but quickly fall asleep when I get done reading. Actually, I don't even get done. I just fall asleep in the middle of reading.
Rally point, the light pole with the green sign, okay?
Está calor, ¿es en serio?
Dang, it was hot out there. Looks like I'm the first one to get in here. It's all empty. I'm so hot, man. I was outside for like freaking 30 minutes. I wonder where's all the people at. Don't do drugs, kids. Remember that. Let me know if these vlogs are getting repetitive. Just finish up meditating. I don't know why, but when I meditate, it feels like people keep trying to talk to me in my head, and I have to remember that I'm meditating. So it's like I'm almost like falling asleep in a dream, and I have to realize the dream is an actual dream. That's what it feels like. It feels like someone keeps trying to talk to me, and I have to snap back into it and be like, wait, I'm meditating, remember. So you guys can't stop me. Well, not you guys, but the people in my head, they can't freaking stop me. All right, good night, everybody. I'm about to eat right now. Oh, shoot. About to eat right now. I was supposed to read before I go to sleep, but it's already 9:10 right now, so I don't think I'll really have time to read because I want to be in bed by I want to be asleep by 10 because I got to wake up at 6. Need them 8 hours of sleep. Thank you for everybody for watching. If you got this far, comment. Hi. Eee. Good night. See you tomorrow.